Welcome back. We're going to discuss virtual expectations today. I'm Mr. DeTavio. The first thing I want you to do for your bell work is really to never stop examining and questioning, right? I want you to think about this. Answer the question, who discovered America? All right. I want you to think about why have textbooks lied? And also to consider, from the story that you think what if there was a hurricane? Would America have been discovered anyway? So consider that option while you're, kind of getting your brain warmed up. This is sort of a brain teaser. Socrates once said the unexamined life is not worth living. So how to succeed on a Google form? Again, just think about, you have to put your name, first name, last name, what period you're in, and then kind of go through the questions. So again, when they're bolded and underlined like this in a larger font, they're going to be an answer. Don't forget the exit in the KWL. So, think about, usually we're in a classroom, right? So this is room 304, that might be probably listed on your schedule as Virtual Academy, right? So, again, my name is Mr. DeTavio. You're either in digital literacy, personal exploration, newspapers. Make sure you're looking at the right thing in the right place. And again, change the world by making your bed. And so I want you to watch that video and check that out. It's pretty short. It's 4 or 5 minutes. It's all about changing the world. It's something very important. It's something that we'll go back to later. So virtual classroom rules and procedures, don't lie, don't steal, don't give any headaches. That's one of your next answers. Headaches, bold, underline, larger font. And that's just something I want you to consider for the rest of your life. Those are only 3 rules. Our procedures are a whole nother thing, right? So devices, don't take any pictures or video. That's just not okay. And recording other people without their permission is not okay. So whether it's your classmates or myself or whatever, please have your camera on, but be muted. Right, it's the next answer. Make sure that you put questions in the chat box, and so that way you're able to ask them in real time. We can get them answered. Respect your classmates when they share. It's really hard to share. I'll respect you, so respect me, and be dressed appropriately for school, even though we're virtually. 2 key factors for being awesome: attitude, effort. Next answer, right? It's bold and underline, and attention, and then bring all your talents to the table every day, right? Normally in the classroom, you'd say focus, focus, and then you'd say dialed in. So if we're getting off the rails, I might actually use focus, focus, and then have you guys in the chat box say dialed in. Bring all your talents to the table every day is one of our signs in the room. Another sign is being a first-class citizen, right? Third-class citizens are people who walk in, throw trash on the floor. Second class, just step over the trash. First class cleans up someone else's mess for the greater good of our community. So your next answer is first-class citizen. How to be responsible online, right? Be nice, so treat everyone with respect and, kindness. Be kind. Hold yourself accountable and others accountable. Somebody is doing something that is wrong, make sure that, you call them out on it. Think relationships, empathy, and understanding. Not all of us are as good as tech as other people. Take care of your classmates. They need you right now. Think commitment. Be loyal to the greater cause of our community. We need, belong, and affect each other. Stay above the line, so make good, responsible decisions. Event plus response equals outcome. And then think discipline. It's all about choices. Choose to be great online, right? Submit your work on time, be prepared, et cetera, right? Be on time. Our accountability continuum, right? It's respect versus fear. Nobody wants to punish you. We want you just to have respect, to admire, to be accountable, right? Our class is predicated on the 5 selves, whether you're in digital lit, whether you're in personal exploration, doesn't matter. It's all predicated on the 5 selves, right? So these are some words that define me. There's my niece that practiced with me. And the 5 selves, it's your next answer, 5, are self-esteem, concept, efficacy, awareness, and actualization. So do I love myself? What are my values and beliefs? What are my goals and plans? Where do I fit in? And what is my purpose? To have clarity, confidence, conviction is important. That means that you know your goal, you believe you can do it, you're going to get off your butt and go get after it. To end, in part of our what, how, why this school year, what are we doing? We're going to Virtual Academy. We're going to school. How? Virtual Academy. But why? Our reason why is to find a purpose to be. And I want you to watch this video. This lady's awesome. She's motivation for anybody entering to a schoolhouse, classroom, during any time, but especially this one. So I hope you guys have all the answers. You can submit your form. You guys have a great day.